How's it going? How's it going? I'm here with my sister, and we are doing keyboard piano lesson for the first time.
Okay, so
Let's do it.
let's do it.
So,
So
C.
that is the middle C is there. It's from the middle, but we also have the C here. C. So again, this is the middle C. Okay, and another C here. And can you find the other C? Yes. How about on your left? Use your left hand. Yeah. Okay, and the last. Yeah, that's the lowest. The lowest C. Okay, and this is the highest. The highest Do. Next is uh, okay, we learned this morning about the staff. So this is your staff. We have 5 lines and 4 spaces. We will put notes there. So a whole note is this. The circle, whole note. We call this one whole note. And it receives 4 beats. So it is held for 4 counts. So a whole note receives 4 counts. So this one, this is the middle C. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 later. And this one, we learned this the bass clef or the F clef this morning. So that is for the from here bass, from here soprano and alto. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next page. Music is divided by bar lines. So we call this one bar line. So from here up to here, we call it one measure. That is one measure. Another one measure, another one measure, and another one measure. So this one is the grand stuff because we have the G clef and the F clef, or the treble and the bass clef. So a grand stuff.
So this
Next is
red is one line, right?
yeah,
When
yeah.
it's the grand staff.
Mm-mm.
It's not do this and then do this.
Oh,
You know what I
yeah.
mean? Like you don't read it like, okay, the top line is one row and this is one row. That's all red is one row, right?
Yeah.
So whether it's down here
Oh,
or
yeah. Okay.
I didn't.
So your hands, the small one, the pinky will be 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also for your left. Yeah. Okay. So next, you're a fast learner, so we go to the next page. Okay. Now, I want you to play this. Middle C as a whole note. So you count one measure 4, one measure 4, another one measure 4. It's because whole note receives. But you don't have to press it again. Only one press. So but count 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your turn. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Should we use the sustain pedal for that?
Yeah.
The pedals?
Yeah.
Is it good to have the pedal or not?
Later
We
when
have pedal
we,
buttons.
yeah, okay. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. By the way, we use the 4/4 time signature. So 4 counts, 4 counts, 4 counts, 4, because whole note gets 4 counts, 4 beats. So that's it. Next is your left hand. Here. There. Okay. Ready? Go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Again. Go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Why does it say
Okay.
left hand thumb?
Play with left thumb.
Oh, so this one?
Your number 1.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the whole note. It gets 1. And then let's go to another kind of note. This is a half note.
Now it gets confusing. Tricky. What?
Okay.
Okay.
Don't be confused. A half note receives 2 beats. So it goes this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then your left hand will play the
Thumb again?
the F clef. So, but you put your hands here. Thumb. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. 1, 2.
Wait, what? I'm doing both fingers?
Right first. 1, 2. Later, when we are done here, okay, alternate. Already, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, from here, from the top, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oops.
Again. From the top, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, last. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let's go to
What's this stack?
the next.
Staccato?
Yeah, staccato.
What's the difference?
Tuck, tuck, tuck like that. Now, another note, new note, which is the quarter note. We call that 1 quarter note. Always remember that a note with a stem but not shaded is half note. A stem shaded is the quarter note. And a quarter note receives 1 beat. It always receives 1 beat. So, it goes this way. So, the one on the G clef notes, you will play it with your right hand. And the one on the bass clef by your left. So, let's try it. 1, not that fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 4, and 1, and 1, 2, 3, and last, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again.